and I'm the food editor of Yummy.ph. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Korean street food Korean garlic cream cheese bread. If you want to try making this trendy bread, you're going to want to make this recipe. That's because this recipe uses the tangzhong method. That means your bread is going to come out super soft. So if you love garlic bread as much as I do, you're going to want to make this recipe. Let's start. Hope you guys like that recipe because the resulting bread is super soft and it looks gorgeous too. Just take a look at that. Don't they look beautiful? Don't forget to visit us on yummy.ph and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to drop a comment or even ask us a question. Especially kung ginawa niyo tong recipe na to. We'll answer your question in the next video. We want to hear from you. You can also join us on Facebook on the Yummy PH Pinoy Cooking Club. Post your photos there. We want to see your breads. As always, thanks for visiting and watching our videos. Until the next recipe, bye!